The facts matter.
New on the 19th tonight, the run is over for a former South Florida man who believed he was above the law.
He's now facing decades behind bars. The night team's Karen Hensel investigates.
It was 2015 when 7 News viewers were introduced to Anthony Williams. That's when longtime investigative reporter Carmel Cafaro first met with Williams at this Cooper City home. Williams wanted to talk to Carmel about her story on sovereign citizens, people who falsely believe they're immune to laws like paying taxes or having a driver's license.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I do not.
Have you been ticketed?
Yes, I have.
Although Williams said he was not a sovereign citizen, he carried this special police badge and called himself a private attorney general, which is common among people in the movement.
That's not a de facto government ID. I fly with this ID.
Williams had the ID, a badge, and handcuffs when he was arrested after flying into Fort Lauderdale in November 2015. We were at the airport when Williams was cuffed, charged with practicing law without a license in a Broward foreclosure case.
Do you think that this is an indication that maybe you don't understand the law as well as you think you do?
You know I know, and you just as dishonest as they are.
Fast forward 5 years and more than 4,800 miles, Anthony Williams was in Hawaii, awaiting his fate on far more serious charges.
I am a private attorney general or an attorney in fact.
But the fact is, Anthony Williams is not a licensed attorney. The Common Law Office of America website he created offered services like mortgage reduction and foreclosure assistance. After an investigation led by the FBI, Williams was indicted on 32 counts of wire and mail fraud. Prosecutors say Williams marketed a fraudulent mortgage debt reduction scheme to distressed homeowners who were mostly non-native English speakers. After a 4-week trial where he represented himself, a jury convicted Williams on all charges. He appeared via video conference at his October sentencing hearing.
And they're talking about I targeted vulnerable Filipino. Filipino people were not the only people that I had as clients. I had Caucasian clients. I had Samoan clients. I had Hawaiian clients. I had African American clients. I had Hispanic clients. None of them were vulnerable.
The feds say Williams fraudulently obtained more than $230,000 from 112 victims, filing bogus documents without providing any legitimate services. Williams maintains his innocence.
There was nothing that I did that was fraudulent or intended to be fraudulent or that was fraudulent against any homeowner in any state, let alone here in Hawaii.
The judge's sentence, 20 years in federal prison.
I believe his sentence provides just punishment, and equally important, I hope it serves as adequate deterrence to others.
Over the years, Williams has repeatedly challenged judges.
Are you going to violate my constitutional rights, sir?
It hasn't worked, whether in South Florida in 2015.
Okay, Deputy, I need you to arrest this judge for violation.
Okay, we're all going to stop laughing right now.
Or in Hawaii in 2020.
And I just want to place on the record that all of you are going to pay for this. You're going to go to jail for this because this is not going to be, I'm not going to let you violate my rights like this.
Williams is no longer in Hawaii. He's now back in South Florida, here at the Federal Detention Center in Miami. But before he can even begin to serve his 20-year federal sentence, which he's already appealed, he must first finish a 15-year sentence in a state grand theft case. Karen Hensel, 7 News.